Use scientific notation to find the yearly water consumption per person in the U.S. We're going to use our answer from the previous exercise, which said the total gallons was 9.0 times 10 to the 12th. And the total number of people was 3.0 times 10 to the 8th. And if we divide these, kind of using our rules of exponents, 9 divided by 3 is, of course, 3. And we can deal with the powers by subtraction, since they have the same base. So it's 3.0 times 10 to the 12 minus 8, which is 4. So, in part B of this problem, we're asked to write our answer in standard notation. So 3.0 times 10 to the 4th means we write our answer by moving the decimal 4 times to the right. Positive exponent, big number, move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to need zeros in all of our empty spaces. So we end up with 30,000 gallons per person in a year. Part C. Use the standard notation, which is our answer here, to find the daily water consumption per person in the U.S. So daily, there are 365 days in a year. So we'll take our 30,000, and on our calculator we'll divide it by 365, and I come up with approximately 82 gallons per person. That's on a daily basis. So part D of this question is the intuitive one. Does your answer surprise you? Why or why not? And when I looked at this research, it kind of surprised me a little bit, but when you go to think of how much water we actually use between bathrooms and the things that go into washing our clothes and everyday usage, and the food that we buy at the grocery store, it actually is not that surprising. But at first it kind of is an eye-opener.